Hello everyone. So today we have got a box to open. Now this box is from Beauty Bay, and yeah, it is my Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collaboration package. It is bonfire night here today, so if you can hear random banging and explosions outside, that's what that is. We are not under attack. We just have lots of fireworks right now. So I am so excited. The box is huge, but yeah, let's get it open. I am so excited. The box doesn't look tampered with. I know that some people have had boxes tampered with and products taken, so that's not good, but stuff just kind of looks thrown in here. That's not ideal. So yeah, that's beautiful. Like, I don't know if it's like, there's a little bit of discoloration on the P, but you know, we'll deal with it. Look at this. I'll get everything out of the box and then I will show it to you. Got this. And then there should be, here it is. I'm so excited. Okay, so what should I start with? I'm going to start with this because it's the big one, and it is the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson pig mirror, and this is the black pig. And I've never owned a Jeffree Star mirror, and I saw this one and I was like, I kind of need it. I love the boxes that these come in. That's pretty cool. So I'm also sorry if you can hear Lila barking in the background. She feels like she can protect everyone from fireworks, so she needs to bark at all of them. She's not scared of them, she just barks constantly. So yeah, there we go. Here we go. Oh my god, there it is. That is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so cool. That is absolutely amazing. That's like, yeah, like the actual mirror is huge as well. That's really good. I love this. This is awesome. So I'm so happy that I got that. This is like, I think the only thing that was works out cheaper in the UK. I feel that the other mirrors are usually $25, but this one was $30 in America, whereas these are usually I feel like they're 25 anyway. Maybe they're a little bit less. I don't know. I'm talking rubbish. I'm just excited. So we have the pig mirror. Then we have the lipstick I wanted in the shade Ryland. I can't wait for this. Ooh, that's so pretty. That is gorgeous. Ooh, it's very, very metallic. Tell you what, I'm going to use my pig mirror. And I've got a little bit of gloss on my lips though. It's quite sheer. I don't know if that's because of my gloss that I have on. It smells amazing. It smells really good. My lips are kind of dry right now, so it's kind of sticking a little bit in those areas, but I love that. That's like a very me shade. This is the first Jeffree Star lipstick that I have that is the shiny one, metallic-y kind of colour, and I like that. That's really nice. I like that a lot. That's me. And then we move on to this one. I am so excited. So I'm gonna open it up and let you see it before I do. You can see it, but I can't. Oh my god. Holy shit. That is more beautiful. Sorry, I'm throwing stuff on my Pigma. That is even more beautiful than I was expecting it to look. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, so I was just reading the back of this. It says, attention, cheese dust, sleep paralysis, food videos, my pills, Trisha, not a fact, flaming hot, pigment are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Huh? Anyway, I've never had one of these things with the really cool box. I had the Jawbreaker palette. I didn't really like it, but this has got the really cool. Oh my god! Wow, that's insane. So many colours in here that I actually love. I want to swatch them, but I don't at the same time. Cheese dust is a beautiful orange, and I like me some oranges, I'm gonna admit. Illuminati looks really nice as well. It's this kind of blacky green colour. I'm just gonna use all of these. These are beautiful. Wow. That's actually insane. That's I really, really can't believe how beautiful this is. And like this here is like metal. We've got the really fancy enclosures. That's just something else, isn't it? That's just incredible. I don't know, I'm actually astounded. I cannot wait to start using this palette. So yeah, that is everything that I got so far from the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collection. I love the lipstick. I managed to use the lipstick. Love the pig mirror because, hello, yeah. And then obviously the palette is absolutely insane. Again, I do have a video on the Beauty Bay situation that's going on, still going on, mind you, about people's orders going missing, people getting charged twice, 3, 4, 5, up to 8 times, and that's insane. So yeah, that is it. I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I got my palette. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Adios.